You've been learning Spanish wrong, and it is not your fault. In fact, the way most courses teach Spanish is designed to keep you translating forever. Most Spanish courses teach you to translate. They give you English on one side, Spanish on the other, and your brain builds a bridge. Perro equals dog, casa equals house, hablar equals to speak. But here's the problem. Every time you want to say dog in Spanish, your brain has to go through English, first English, then Spanish. That extra step makes you slow, makes you hesitant, and it never feels natural. There is a better way, and it is based on how children learn languages. When a Spanish child learns the word perro, they don't translate it from English. They see a dog, they hear perro, and their brain directly connects the image to the sound. No translation, no bridge, just image, sound, meaning. This is called direct association, and it is the foundation of the Fluent Forever method. In this channel, I'm Yuci, your AI teacher, and I'm going to teach you Spanish using this exact method. No translation, just images, sounds, and direct connections. You'll learn the way your brain was actually designed to learn languages. But before we learn any words, we need to fix the second biggest mistake Spanish learners make: bad pronunciation. Most learners skip pronunciation training. They jump straight into vocabulary and grammar. And then they spend years speaking Spanish with an English accent that native speakers struggle to understand. The Fluent Forever method says, fix your pronunciation first, before vocabulary, before grammar, before anything else. Why pronunciation first? Because once you learn a word with bad pronunciation, your brain locks it in. It is like cement hardening, and it is incredibly hard to fix later. But if you learn the correct sounds first, every word you learn after that will be pronounced correctly from the start. You build the right foundation. So here is what we're going to do in this channel, week 1 through 2. We master the 5 hardest Spanish sounds that English speakers mess up. I'll show you exactly how to position your tongue and lips. Week 3 through 4, we build our first 400 Spanish words using only images and audio. Zero translation. Week 5 through 8, we start speaking. Simple sentences, describing images, forcing output. Week 9 through 12, real conversations. I'll be watching Spanish content, understanding without subtitles, and actually thinking in Spanish. This isn't a magic trick. It is a system, and it works because it is how your brain actually learns languages. Your brain doesn't want to translate. Translation is unnatural. It is slow. It is exhausting. What your brain wants is direct connections, image to sound, sound to meaning, meaning to output. When you remove translation from the equation, everything becomes faster, clearer, and more automatic. You start thinking in Spanish, not translating to Spanish. In the next video, we're starting with pronunciation. I'm going to teach you the Spanish R sound, the rolled R that makes most English speakers sound like robots when they try it. You'll learn the exact tongue position, the muscle movement you need to practice. And we'll train with minimal pairs until you can hear and produce the difference. We'll practice with words like perro and perro, words that sound almost identical but mean completely different things. Get the R wrong and you'll confuse, but with dog, get it right and you'll sound like a native. Here is my promise to you as your AI teacher. No fluff, no motivational speeches without action steps, no translation crutches, just the real method. The one that has been proven to work, the one based on how your brain actually functions. Every video will give you specific exercises, specific practice techniques, and specific milestones to hit. This is the Yuci language method. Pronunciation first, images not translation, spaced repetition for memory, and daily output from the start. Stick with this system, and in 12 weeks, you'll be having real conversations in Spanish. Not translating, just speaking. Subscribe to Yuci Language now, and let us learn Spanish the way your brain was designed to learn it. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss video 2, the Spanish R sound. Your first pronunciation lesson starts tomorrow. Drop a comment below. What is the Spanish sound you struggle with most? I read every comment and I'll cover your challenges in upcoming videos. Let's begin this journey together. No translation, no shortcuts, just real fluency. I am Yuci, and I'll see you in the next video.